Okay, listen up. Some of you are out here looking like you've got a Muppet trying to escape your shorts, thinking about getting waxed? You can't just walk in blind. There are rules. This isn't a game, it's a professional service. You need etiquette. I'm your guide, your smooth skin sensei. We're breaking down Brazilian wax etiquette for men, what not to do. Pay attention, take notes, and save yourself from embarrassment and pain. Let's get into it. It's about to get real smooth. Rule number 1, and this is non-negotiable, the bedrock upon which all successful waxing experiences are built: show up clean. No exceptions. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement. Think of it as a courtesy to your esthetician, a kindness to your skin, and a crucial step in achieving the best possible results. Doesn't matter where you're coming from, whether you've just finished a grueling workout, a long day at the office, or an outdoor adventure. Find a shower. Seek it out. Prioritize it. Consider it an essential part of your pre-waxing ritual. Use unscented soap. Opt for the most basic, gentle cleanser you can find. No fancy fragrances, no harsh chemicals. Leave the complex concoctions for another time. We're aiming for a blank slate here. After you shower, do nothing else. Resist the urge to reach for any products. No deodorant, not even a little. No cologne, absolutely not. No lotions, no powders, nothing at all. The goal is pure, unadulterated skin. You're not going to the club, you're not preparing for a date, you're going to a waxing salon. And that requires a different kind of preparation. All those products can irritate your skin, even the ones you think are gentle, and make waxing worse. Irritated skin is more prone to inflammation and discomfort during the waxing process. Imagine your esthetician getting hit with a cloud of body spray. It's not a pleasant experience for anyone involved. Don't be that guy. Seriously, avoid the awkwardness. Clean skin is safer for everyone, including you and your esthetician, and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Clean pores are less likely to trap hairs beneath the surface. Sweat and product trap bacteria, creating a breeding ground for unwanted guests, which can lead to infection after waxing. Open pores after waxing are particularly vulnerable. So, recap, let's make this crystal clear. Shower, a thorough one. Unscented soap, the simpler the better. No extra products, absolutely nothing else. Show up as a blank, clean canvas, ready to be transformed. It's respectful to your esthetician and your own skin. A win-win situation. Don't be the story they tell in the break room. You don't want to be the subject of spa gossip. Be the client they hope comes back, the one they genuinely enjoy working with. Cleanliness is next to smoothness. It's the foundation upon which a successful wax is built. Think about their day. They're on their feet all day, working hard. They see client after client. Show them some consideration. Don't be the reason they question their career choices. Let's keep their spirits high. You want them to think positive thoughts about you. Wow, that guy was clean and respectful. That's the ultimate compliment. That's the goal. Aim for that reaction. Clean skin, equal sign less pain, less risk, better results. It's a simple equation. Don't sabotage your wax before it even starts. Give yourself the best possible chance. Respect the process. It's designed to deliver optimal results. Respect the professional. They're skilled and knowledgeable. Respect yourself. Take care of your skin. It's simple. Be clean. It's not rocket science. No shortcuts. Don't try to skip this step. No excuses. There's no valid reason to show up unclean. No exceptions. This rule applies to everyone, every time. You want smooth? Start with clean. It's the first and most important step. That's how you win at waxing, by following this simple rule. Show up right and you're already halfway there. The rest will fall into place. Don't mess this up. It's the easiest part of the whole process. Seriously, take it to heart. You're clean, you're ready, you've got your appointment on the calendar, and you think, maybe I should just trim a little bit to help them out. It seems like a thoughtful gesture, right? Like you're doing your part to make the process easier. Stop, put the scissors down. Seriously, step away from the grooming tools. This is a no DIY zone. Don't DIY trim before your appointment. It's a recipe for disaster, and trust us, the professionals have seen it all. The hair needs to be about 1/4 inch. That's the sweet spot for most waxing and grooming services. Think grain of rice, that's the ideal length we're aiming for. Any shorter, and you're entering dangerous territory. Too short? Wax can't grip. And if the wax can't grip, you're not getting the smooth results you're after. Too long? The pro will handle it. They have the expertise and the right tools to get the length just right. If you mess up the length, you risk pain, patchiness, and a whole lot of frustration. Or even getting sent home. No one wants to be turned away at the door. Over-trimming leads to uneven results, and more pain. You might think you're helping, but you're actually creating more work and discomfort. You can't see what you're doing down there. Don't risk it. The angles are awkward, The lighting is probably terrible, and you're essentially flying blind. Let the professional handle the trimming. It's part of their job. They're trained, experienced, and equipped to do it right. Showing up with a botched trim is like bringing your own half-cooked steak to a restaurant. It throws off the whole process and makes their job much harder. You're paying for expertise, trust it. They know what they're doing and they'll take care of you. DIY trims can cause nicks and cuts, which are not only painful but also increase the risk of infection, which means no wax for you. Open wounds and waxing don't mix. Don't play yourself. Avoid the temptation to interfere. The rule, leave it alone, hands off, resist the urge, let it grow. The longer, the better, within reason of course. If it's too long, they'll fix it, that's what they're there for. Your job, show up clean with hair long enough to grab. That's the bare minimum. Don't try to help. You're not helping, you're hindering. Don't be a hero. This isn't the time to prove your grooming skills. Just relax. Take a deep breath and trust the process. Let the expert do their thing. They've got this. Save yourself pain and embarrassment. It's not worth the risk. No walk of shame. Leave the salon feeling confident and refreshed. No patchy mess. Just smooth, even results that you'll love. No regrets. You'll thank yourself for leaving it to the professionals. Trust the process. It's designed to give you the best possible results. Trust the pro. They're the experts after all. Show up and let them work. That's all you have to do. That's it. Congratulations, you made it through. You survived the wax. The initial sting is gone and you're on the other side. And now, the reward. You're smooth, incredibly smooth. Feel that? That's the feeling of freedom from unwanted hair. Now listen closely, and don't ruin it. This freshly waxed skin needs some TLC. First things first, skip the tight jeans. Your skin is sensitive and needs to breathe. Squeezing into those super skinny jeans right now is a recipe for disaster. Wear loose, comfortable, breathable clothes. Think of it as a spa day for your skin. Reach for those comfortable joggers, those soft, forgiving sweatpants, or those wonderfully loose shorts. Anything that allows your skin to breathe freely. And for underwear, stick to soft cotton, nothing tight or restrictive. Your skin will thank you for the extra space. Avoid synthetic fabrics like the plague. They trap heat and moisture, creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Open pores plus sweat equals breakouts and ingrowns. It's a simple equation, and one you definitely want to avoid. Plan your outfit ahead. Bring comfy clothes if you need to. It's a small step that can make a world of difference. It makes a huge difference in your comfort and recovery. Think of it as an investment in your skin's happiness. This rule applies for the rest of the day, maybe even longer. Let your skin calm down and recover from the waxing process. No gym, no long runs, and absolutely no friction-heavy activities. Give your skin a break from all that rubbing and chafing. Let the area rest and heal. Treat it with kindness and patience. Post-wax uniform loose and breathable. Cotton is king. Bow down to the comfort of cotton. Give your skin space and air. Let it breathe and recover. Treat it right, and it'll stay smooth. Happy skin is smooth skin. Stuff it into skinny jeans, and you'll regret it. Trust us on this one. Don't undo all that pain with a bad wardrobe choice. You've come too far to sabotage your smooth skin now. Be smart, be comfortable, be loose. It's the trifecta of post-wax success. Your skin will thank you, your esthetician will thank you, and most importantly, you'll thank yourself for making the right choices. Comfort is key, don't mess this up. It's the golden rule of post-wax care. Stay smooth, stay loose, that's the move. That's the secret to maintaining that post-wax glow and feeling fantastic. This should be obvious, but be on time. Your appointment is a real time, not a suggestion. Estheticians run tight schedules. Your lateness throws off their whole day. Show up late, and you mess up everyone after you. It's disrespectful and costs them money. If you're late, your service might be rushed or cut short. Do you want someone rushing with hot wax near your sensitive areas? Didn't think so. Being late creates stress for everyone. Life happens. If you're running late, communicate. Call or text. Let them know. It shows respect and gives them a chance to adjust. Don't just show up late with a shrug. Plan for traffic. Leave early. Use a map app. Value their time as much as your own. Being on time sets a positive tone. Arrive 5 minutes early, check in, and get ready. It helps everyone. Don't be the chaos, be the calm, be on time. It's the easiest way to get great service. Respect their schedule, respect the process, show up right. Speak up about your skin. Any allergies, sensitivities, or medications? Tell your esthetician before they start. Don't hide it. This is about safety. They can adjust products or techniques if they know. Bring your own post-wax cream if you need to. Communication protects you and helps them do their job. Don't be shy, be smart. A quick skin chat can save you a world of hurt. Real talk. Don't flirt with your esthetician. This is their job, not a dating app. They're professionals, not your wingman. Don't make it weird with comments or jokes. It's disrespectful and uncomfortable for them. You're the client, they're the service provider. Your job is to be respectful. Keep conversation light and G-rated. Talk about the weather, sports, or their experience, nothing suggestive. They're there to help you, not to be hit on. If you make them uncomfortable, you'll get rushed service, or worse, get blacklisted. Don't be that guy. The waxing salon is a zero flirting zone. Be polite, be a gentleman, appreciate the service, and leave it at that. Don't make it awkward. Respect the professional environment, respect their boundaries, respect yourself. You want good service? Don't cross the line. They'll remember if you do. You want to be remembered for being a great client, not a creep. No flirting, no weirdness, just respect. Keep it professional, keep it smooth, that's how you win. The moment of truth, wax on, strip applied, your job, hold still and breathe. Don't flinch or tense up, sudden movements can cause pain or injury. The esthetician needs precision, help them by staying still. Sometimes they'll ask you to hold your skin taut, listen and follow instructions. Second job, breathe. People forget to breathe when they expect pain. Tense muscles make waxing hurt more. Pro tip, take a deep breath in, then exhale as they pull the strip. It distracts you and relaxes your muscles. Exhale forcefully, like blowing out birthday candles. It makes the pull less painful. The esthetician will cue you, ready, or deep breath. That's your moment. Breathe in, then breathe out as they pull. It's the difference between a sting and a manageable zip. Stay still, breathe out, and you'll get through it. Your cooperation makes it faster and safer and less painful. You're a team. Work together. The goal: smooth, hairless victory. Don't fight the process, trust the pro, breathe and hold still. That's it, you made it. Waxing is about hygiene, confidence, and respect. Know the rules, show up clean, and leave smooth. You've got the playbook. No more excuses. Which rule surprised you most? Drop a comment below. Want to try it at home? Check out beginner kits below. But remember, the rules still apply. Tag a friend who needs this. Don't let them make rookie mistakes. Now go get smooth. You've earned it.